Hello students, so today we will see uses of shift button on scientific calculator. Here we are using Casio fx-991MS type of calculator. So shift button helps us to use all the secondary functions which are not directly labeled on the calculator's button. So first uses trigonometric functions, that is inverse trigonometric functions. So first example is sin theta is equal to 0.5. So theta is equal to sin inverse 0.5. So shift sine button 0.5 which gives us 30 degree. Second use is nth root of any number. So we will take example as fifth root of 78, which will be shift 5 shift nth root 78, which will be equal to 2.390. Then factorial. How to find out factorial? So 5 factorial will be 5 shift factorial button is equal to 120. Then how to calculate percentage? 100 into 5, then shift percentage, which is equal to 5. Thank you.